Hi, today I'm knitting a beret. The design require any calculations. You can use any needles, any yarn, any make, any size without calculation stitches in advance. Cast on 8 stitches. The first row, 1 slip, an hour, knit, an hour, 1 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 knit, and purl. On the wrong side, work purl stitches. The second right side row, 1 slip, an hour, 2 knit, 1, 2, an hour, 2 knit, 1, 2, an hour, 2 knit, an hour, 2 knit, an hour, 2 knit, an hour, 2 knit, and purl. Wrong side, all purl. The third right side row, 1 slip, an hour, 3 knit, 1, 2, 3, an hour, 3 knit, 2, 3, an hour, 3 knit, and continue, an hour, 3 knit. Wrong side, purl stitches. The first right side, 1 slip, an hour, 4 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, an hour, 4 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, an hour, 4 knit, and continue. Wrong side, purl stitches. The fifth right side row, 1 slip, an hour, 5 knit, an hour, 5 knit, an hour, 5 knit, and continue this pattern. This is how it looks. In your case, need about 12 to 15 centimeters depending on your preference. In my case, it's about 13 centimeters. Now knit 2 centimeters in stockinette stitches. Here it's about 2 centimeters in stockinette stitches. Between the holes I have 14 stitches. Next row I knit 1 slip, 2 knit together, 2 knit together, and knit 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 2 knit together, 13, 2 knit together, and continue the pattern. Wrong side, purl, next row next row 1 slip, 2 knit together, 12 knit, 2 knit together, 12 knit, 2 knit together, wrong side, purl stitches, decrease stitches until it fits your head size. Then continue with repeating either 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 as you prefer. I've knitted 4 centimeters rivet, 1.5 inch. Next, bind off stitches as follows. In the front side, 1 slip, knit stitch. Take 1 slip from here, work 2 stitches together and bind off. Purl, work purl stitch, and bind off. Once more, take 1 loop from here, knit together and bind off. Purl, bind off. Once more, take from here, loop, work together, 2 stitches together and bind off. Continue. Purl, bind off. Take 1 loop together, bind off. This way we get a nice stretchy edge. Purl, bind off, take loop from here, work 2 stitches together, bind off, and continue. Now I've finished knitting, and now I'm going to sew it. Leave a long yarn tail. Sew from the right side. As you can see, the seam is no longer visible. Thank you for watching. See you next time.